Have you heard about the Miiracell Red Box? The Miiracell Red Box have been proven to cure some major health issues, even when the doctor says otherwise. See what the Miiracell Red Box has done for the following people as they testify.
Mr. Kingsley Usen was cured of high blood pressure and diabetes.
Madam Hope Dubia was healed of partial stroke.
Daniel Olawoyo was cured of asthma.
Mrs. Nkechi Douglas was healed of ulcer and ovarian cysts. Mrs. Joyce Anderson was healed of kidney stone.
Nuruddin Ibrahim was healed of diabetes after 2 weeks of using Miiracell Plus.
And Miss Lucy Peterson was healed of stroke.
Do you want to know what this miracle product is? It's called Miiracell Plus. Miiracell Plus is a stem cell product, super nutrient and organic product that rejuvenates, replicates, restores, replaces, repairs, cleanses, and brings the body into normal functionality. It works on cellular level. It has the ability to enter into any tissue in the body and repair damaged cells, activate dormant cells, and regenerate new cells. As the cells get back to normal functionality, they start to fight any disease, sickness, or virus out of your body, regardless of its name or how incurable it is. Miiracell Plus Stem Cell is a plant-based food therapy ahead of its time. It uses stem cells to manage, prevent, or even address a disease or stubborn health conditions that has lingered for a long time and rejected treatment. Miiracell Plus is a product from Revubit International Company based in Malaysia and is the best and most valuable product that does miracles in your body by improving the body's vigor and vitality. As you want it to address one disease or medical condition, it will then address all negative conditions in your body. It refreshes your body system, skin, and makes you look younger and helps to clean and maintain your colon to function effectively. I'm sure you want to know the benefits too. Promotes colon health, improves liver health, repairs, moisturizes, whitens, and preserves a youthful skin, reduces oxidative stress, reduces high blood pressure, improves heart health, prevents diabetes, prevents stroke, improves digestion, regulates blood sugar, reduces DNA damage, improves vision, contains vitamin C, high chlorophyll content, prevents Alzheimer's, prevents arthritis, and prevents cancer. There's more. Now, why is Miiracell Plus the best stem cell product in the market? Our product contains 13 plant stem cells, making it more effective. One box contains 24 sachets, and it has good quantity, weighing 2,500 milligrams. Miiracell Plus is good for general health of the body. It is both curative and preventive. With Miiracell Plus, you are the next to testify.